Something was following him. This guy named Connor was returning home one night when suddenly he felt an eerie sensation, as if someone was following him. Startled, he quickly turned around, but there was nothing there. Just as he was about to step inside, he again felt something was behind him, and once again nothing was there. Although Connor saw nothing when he turned around, later when he checked the doorbell footage, he discovered something truly disturbing. The footage showed a mysterious figure had briefly appeared behind him moments before he turned around the first time. But it didn't end there. Seconds later, the same figure reappeared, this time even closer, as if it was slowly approaching him. By the time Connor sensed the presence and turned back again, it had disappeared. Was this a trick of the light, or did something sinister follow him home?